Lunchtime Townsville. The favourite here, Jimmy Roo, was thought of as the most likely favourite on the morning line. Pick of the Greyhound Recorder as well, so a couple of feathers in its cap from that perspective. Jimmy Roo does have some pretty good early speed, not quite as much as Aurora Demiro though. It was a big outsider, but this quite quick might just throw a spanner in the works as far as all that's concerned. We will see. Newcastle, this 12:51 race coming up shortly. Trap 1 is the Greyhound for the Racing Post. Down the card, Trap 1, 7 to 2, 2, 9 to 2, 3, 7 to 1, 4, 9 to 4, 5, Swift Elliott. Joint favourite 15 to 8, and Trap 6 is 4 to 1. Greyhounds at the start, Townsville now 12:50. Townsville, they're loading for the 12:50. Green light will be on very shortly. Newcastle making their way to the start.
Nine over the 380. All set. Way they go. He jumped about midfield. Jimmy Roo fast out. Cuban 8. The lead out wide. Back again. There goes the favourite, the third, Jimmy Roo. Fourth place, Judy Starline. Then Cool Blue Star. Further back, Billy Buttons. Aurora Miro. And at the tail, Express back onto the corner. Back again is the leader. But here he comes. Jimmy Roo flies down the centre to win it. Jimmy Roo beats back again. Cuban 8 there in a photo.
Jimmy Roo, the winner there over Townsville.